And today, we're going to talk about NFTs. Are they dead or they might make a comeback? We don't know. All I know is it's not looking good. We also going to look into the charts to see where we're at right now and where we're headed. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. Man, did the market go crazy over the weekend? Friday was a massacre. But before we get into it, guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on all our different social medias, on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, at The Crypto Black. All right, guys. But, man, today we're going to talk about how Looks Rare and OpenSea, and how, man, it's pretty much down like 90%, if not more. We want to know if NFTs are dead. Man, or would they make it, and would they make a comeback? Because, man, it has been brutal with NFTs. But, man, before we get into all that, guys, make sure you guys check out our website right here, cryptoblack.net. Guys, we have our beginners course inside here. So if you're brand new cryptocurrency, you want to learn about crypto, make sure you guys come check out our website, cryptoblack.net, and you'll be able to take the beginners course where you'll be able to be a year, 2 years ahead of everyone else coming into the crypto space. So you'll be able to learn about the blockchain, crypto transactions, how to buy Bitcoin, how to send transactions, how to use exchanges, all that DeFi, staking, passive income. You learn all that stuff right here in the beginners course, guys. But, man, let's check it out, man. So it says, Looks Rare, OpenSea turns into NFT ghost town after volume plunges 99% in 90 days. It says the ongoing debt crisis at lending platform BendDAO is also increasing the risk of the NFT bubble going bust. Man, and a lot of money going to NFTs, man. We know 2020 and especially 2021. But, man, let's get right to it. Look at Bitcoin first. Right now, Bitcoin is down 6.27% for the week, down over 15.18% for the month. And we had $20,182. We had a low of $19,505. But Bitcoin did hold strong on that last overnight. So you guys see on the daily candle, we have a green daily candle. Nice volume today as well. But, man, we still have that resistance, strong resistance right here at 20,000, about 20,800. And we already know about that. Bitcoin was having a hard time, and we talked about we looked at this the other day on my last live last week. We see at 21,732 strong. This is really strong resistance right here. As you guys can see, this 21,732. Whereas we got that big drop, from Friday. So we had that big drop from Friday. From there, but we just battling. We kept battling, trying to get above there, but it just wasn't happening. It just wasn't happening, guys. As you guys can see here, we couldn't get past that. We tried to get past there since August the 21st, and then after Friday, just say, you know what, pretty much that all week. Friday said, you know what, nah, we done. You know what I mean? At the Fed, Powell came out and talked about this. Talked about, in just 8 minutes, he said, "Gonna feel some pain." And, man, did we feel the pain on Friday, baby. So let's talk at ETH. Look at ETH. ETH, we see right here. ETH is at 1536. ETH is down 5% for the week and down over 10.77% for the month. So with ETH, same exact thing, guys. But the thing with ETH, it was flirting. This is a nice, strong support, and we broke it through that support, which was basically 1595. We broke that support. Came down. I think we should be fine. I think the lowest we should go is at about 1263. But you're looking at we had the low for the day of 1422, high at 1545. I think we can bust it. We got at least see if we touch and flirt with 1570, basically about 1570. We flirt with this right here, and then we got to get above here, this 1595 again. And then see if we can test here. You get to this trade right here, I will be jumping in. If we get above this, this 1570, and then soon we get above this, about 1596, 1597, I hop in And for this nice little day, this day trade, or you can run, it's a good swing, but I would say a day trade would be to about 1540. I'm sorry, 1642. And if it's still getting volume, man, I would ride it up to about 16 to about 1700. Remember, we said it's playing between these two lines. You see a lot right here. It's playing between these two lines. Had this breakdown, pushed back up again, got rejected again. But like I said, I will get in right above here, and then I will about 15. You said 1593. I said about a little about 1597, going to about 1600. Let that play. Sell if you're gonna do a day trade. Sell to 1636, or definitely be out by 1700. I'll say about 1694, 1696, something like that. Try to get out before that. Take that profit if the volume is still pushing up once you get past 1642. That's what I would do. Excuse me. But man, let's get right to it. So it says with NFTs, man, and shout out to everybody still in NFTs, still holding strong NFTs. The OpenSea, the world's largest non-fungible token marketplace, has witnessed a substantial drop in daily volume as fears about a potential market bubble grow. Notably, the marketplace processed nearly $5 million worth of NFT transactions on August 28th, approximately 99% lower than its record high of 405.75 of them M's, baby, of them M's. On May 1st, according to that radar, the massive decline in daily volume coincided with equally drastic drops in OpenSea users and their transactions, suggesting that the value and interest in the blockchain-based collectibles have diminished in the recent months. This is further visible in the falling floor prices. The minimum amount one is ready to pay for an NFT of leading digital collectible projects. For instance, the floor price of a Bored Ape Yacht Club dropped by 53% to 72.5 ETH on August 28th versus a high of 153.7 ETH on May the 1st. And again, guys, I said it before and I'm going to say it again. In this bear market, you're going to see about a 50 ETH Bored Ape. About a 50 ETH Bored Ape. That's what I see in this bear market. So just look out for that, guys. So just if you're looking to buy a Bored Ape, just keep, put your ETH to the side. Looking to see about 50 ETH Bored Ape. So it says similarly, the floor price of CryptoPunks, another top NFT collection, dropped almost 20% from a July high of 83.72 ETH. The NFTs are quoted in the native currency of the blockchain on which they are launched. So digital collectible creation on ETH will be purchased using Ethereum, which also means that the NFT prices will fall if ETH market valuation plummets. So the bearish ETH market appears to be one of the primary drivers behind the poor NFT statistics. Notably, the price of one Ether has fallen from $49.50 in November 2021 to below $1,500 in August 2022. So the BitDAO votes to improve NFT liquidity. So last week, BitDAO, the centralized autonomous organization that enables NFT owners to collateralize their digital collectibles to take loans in ETH, or if 30-40% of the NFT floor price voted to change protocol code to make its NFT collateral more liquid. I don't like the whole changing the codes, guys. It says the vote occurred after a rise in Ether price increased the value of ETH denominated loans in dollar terms. Meanwhile, on the other hand, NFT prices plummeted and reducing the value of the collateral held by BitDAO. So it's a BitDAO last vote to change NFT liquidation threshold from 95% to 70%. It has also reduced the time offered to borrowers to avoid liquidation from 48 hours to 4 hours. To 4 hours. Who wrote this? To 4 hours to attract more bids for their NFT collaterals. So it says, in other words, the floor price, the floor NFTs, including Bored Ape Yacht Club, risk plunging further if the market liquidity continues to dry up. And it says, agreed, quote, agreed 2020 to 2021 was crazy, get rich in months, and a DeFi NFT Web3 bubble is going bust now. Turns out founders and VCs were scammers only in for the money, but people said it's over in 2018 too for ICOs. The next bubble will come 100%. You just need to survive, play the long game. End quote for Don Crypto Draper. Yeah. And you guys see right here, man, this is, just as you can see, this NFT, a lot of companies came in. There was a lot of liquid and they were just pretty much flipping it. They was taking the NFTs. A lot of them was just pretty much manipulating the price with NFTs. It got oversaturated. It just everybody and their mom had NFTs, literally. And you just seeing just so much. But what I'm seeing now, and what I seen at the NFT NYC, the corporation is going to take over NFT marketplace. It's going to be the big names. If you don't have the big money, it's over. I mean, and that's pretty much what it was last run too. You know what I mean? It was a anomaly where you see when you seen somebody just the regular Joe come and had an NFT and it blew up. I really don't know too many people that was just a regular Joe that made their own NFT and it blew up. It was always backing by a whole lot of people, a lot of money, a lot of VCs. And that's what blew up. And a lot of relationships. That's what really blew up. But or people that already had a network. Now, you're going to see these corporations like with the NFL, NBA, Walt Disney, things like that. You're going to see those big companies come in and they're going to have NFTs like for tickets to get in or like coupon codes and things like that. It's gonna be a lot of digital coupons. That's gonna see most of the NFTs gonna be going too. Those days of just people just coming with NFT and then it just go crazy. Even the large corporations not gonna have the liquidity like that. The liquidity is not in the market. Wait to the next bull run. And will it be NFTs? I think obviously NFTs will stick around because it do have a use case, but the way you've seen it on this level, I just don't see it happening inside NFTs where this thing is coming out and just crazy money behind it because it's gonna be on to the next one. It's gonna be on to the next one. The problem, a lot of people they just try to hold on to a lot of things that just not there. All right, just like the ICO bubble. You've seen that happen the last with the last market, the last bull run. And you didn't see really, you see the ICOs blow up, as far as the 2016, 2017 bull run, but you didn't see it blow up in the 2021 bull run because I think people just move on to the next. People constantly innovating right now. People constantly building at the moment. So NFT space, I see it as the large corporations, big money. If you're not a part of that, then it's gonna be tough. Now, creators, you be a design for these large corporations, things like that. You make money, yes. Developers, if you are looking to build marketplaces and do different things like that nature for these large corporations, yes. You freelance things like that, yes. So I think you have that space there. Gaming, I think gaming on NFT side, I think that's going to be big. But just people come up with pictures and then that, you're seeing all of it. You're seeing how it plays out, how it's playing out with the liquidity, pretty much gone. But you're seeing how it play out with people just say, I'm over it, right? So, but yeah, man, let me know about your opinion. Do you think NFTs are dead? You think NFTs are dead, or you think it's going to come back? You know what I mean? You don't call it a comeback. Been here for years, as he's gonna say. What do you think? You think Bored Ape gonna drop down to 50 ETH? Let me know. Let me know the laws you think in the comments. Let me know the laws you think NFTs is gonna drop. Should I say the Bored Ape is gonna drop? I would like to know that. All right, but man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. This you got Crypto Chuck here to go Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Make sure you guys stack your stats and chill. Peace.